Okay, hello guys and welcome to a new video on our channel. In this video I will be showing how to install Kali Linux on Windows, and I will show kinda different ways to install it. So this will be a guide and tutorial on how to install Kali Linux on your Windows PC, Ubuntu PC, Kali Linux PC, anything actually. So once you go to Kali Linux, then you click download, of course. You have a lot of options. You have other options. You can install images, you can install virtual machines, which is better. This is better, not this, because usually you have to do it all manually, which takes a long time. If you use like virtual machines, you have to like put the virtual machine in there, you have to install VirtualBox, all of that things you don't need, but you can do easier. You don't really need these, but you can do them easier by installing WSL on your computer. What WSL is, it's basically gonna tell you what WSL is. It's a Windows Subsystem for mostly anything. So I will link this website. I will link everything what you need, which you have to update WSL update package like this. You have to install that with Linux. You have to, as next, you have to go in Windows PowerShell and run it as an administrator. After that, you do WSL -- install. This can install Windows Subsystem Launcher, which is gonna install a bunch of new things on your computer. It's gonna install Ubuntu, it's gonna install WSL settings, all of those things which you maybe need to improve your low-end PCs. You need that, or anything like that. After you got WSL installed, you enable this, which you restart after, and then you enable this, then restart after, and then enable this. So basically, after you restart all of these, you'll be done. Then you have to set WSL set default version 2, so it's gonna set it on default, and then WSL list repos. It's gonna list if it's on or not, or it's working. And now you can always install Kali Linux UI, which I'll go in a minute. After that, if you install, restart everything, you go to Microsoft Store. This is my favorite part, by the way. Kali Linux. Who's fucking calling me now? Okay, never mind. Kali Linux. After you install Kali Linux, you can always download. This is my favorite part here, because you can just download it. You don't have to manually go in, make a VirtualBox as you want it. You can always just download it from Microsoft Store, which I like. The absolute favorite. After that, downloaded Kali Linux. You first go to Kali Linux. Yeah, of course. You open it. It will start rolling, which is loading. And after that, it will ask you for your new username, all that things. You can put it, your passwords, all of that. So I have to warn you. After putting your password in, or your username, it will ask you for your password, of course. What's your current password? If you want to change it, you have to put your current password in. If you type it like this and it's not showing up, and you click enter, you have to reinstall WSL kernel all over again, because how are you supposed to know that when it's not visible? As you can see, like you pass me the current password bomb and it does not work, then you're basically fucked. You won't. You have to be real careful on how you type your password in. I suggest, like, maybe, I don't know, maybe like easy passwords like 8080 or 4623, if you can remember that, or 656565, or maybe anything actually. If you can remember it, it works for you, it works for anybody else. The main thing, it just works for you, and you can remember it. That's just it. After you did Kali Linux, you go, if you want to install the Kali Linux UI, I will also show that in this video, don't worry. You do sudo apt always and sudo apt upgrade. It will ask you for your password, all that thing. Then you sudo apt install Kali Linux desktop -xyz -v, and when you install that, you sudo apt install rdp and hd, so it will give you options. After you did everything, you can sudo server start it. So as you can see, remove desktop connection. You go in here. It's of course in every PC out there. You need your, of course, IP address, so you can always do IPA, and we'll show your IP address right here. And after you put your IP address in there, sudo apt will ask you for a password, and then it's gonna start a remote desktop protocol service ADP assessment. You have to keep this one open. After you did this, you just connect. It will demo here. You just click yes, and then you type your username, password, and boom, you're in the Kali Linux UI. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. For me, I really need this, which I use for, of course, OBS, but I just have. Yeah, that's how you install Kali Linux on your Windows PC with WSL, of course. One reminder, you don't need VirtualBox, you don't need this, you don't need this. You can just delete that. Only updates Windows kernel. Go to PowerShell, run it as an administrator. Yes, click yes, and then WSL -- install, and that's it. Of course, you also need these, which I will link in the description, which you don't need to just copy it off. You can just copy it off from the description, so you don't have to just watch the video all over and over again. After that, yeah, that's it. That's basically the whole video. And if I could just also say this, if you want to install which I saw in the last video comments. If you want to install any tools like Nmap, you can just do this. Kali Linux. You go to Kali Linux and then sudo apt install Nmap. Network mapper, of course, is just many hackers use there. And you could also sudo apt install Hydra, which is a hacking, password breaking, Wi-Fi breaking tool that hackers also use. Or sudo apt install, let me just think, I forgot many of those, what I just did. Let's see, actually, let me just go WSL and just see what we can do. Yeah, I have a lot of GitHub pages which you can see. I just go to Seeker, which I already did a video on GitHub. Seeker is of course a phishing tool, which I also did a video of. Just copy the white code key, which you copy. Wait, fuck. Copy this. Go here. You git close, and then dash, and then it's gonna close this automatic stuff. Now that's how you install WSL Kali Linux on your computer without virtual machine needed. Now, I hope you liked this video, and I hope you have an amazing day, amazing year, and an amazing Christmas. Bye.